I just came back from USA, the 18th annual workshop there. It was amazing. Such a friendly, interactive, wonderful atmosphere, great learning time. Now, let me talk about the 22nd annual workshop in Sydney. So that make it 40th annual workshops in Sydney and USA together. It's going to be held in the Novotel, a wonderful 4-star hotel right in front of the beach. Most importantly, this is the original Tai Chi workshop I organized. And so you have the original instructors right from the very first workshop. In fact, right from my very first Tai Chi class, I have 8 students. Well, that's back over 40 years ago. And one of them is Ian Exo. He's such an amazing, talented man, and he's been a wonderful, super teacher. And he doesn't like traveling, amazingly. So if you want to be in his class, come to the January workshop, or just to meet him is worth it. And of course, from the beginning of the very first annual workshop 22 years ago, Sibo Wong, who's passionate and great in Chang style and other styles, and Dr. Janet Krom, who's again another amazing, incredible teacher that incorporate medicine with Tai Chi. She has so much depth and interesting way to share, to teach. And Fiona, Diane, and many of the wonderful teachers. I would say we are one of the world's best Tai Chi teachers. And there's, of course, that Tai Chi feel, meeting your old friends. I know when I was in USA, many people from USA and overseas in Europe are coming to the January workshop. So hope you can come and have a wonderful time with us.